Facebook is always updating itself, and the changes it brings is always revolutionary. This time Facebook had added new feature on it, that is the Facebook Rooms, through which you can create an online meeting or the video conference like you can do in Zoom. Now, during the coronavirus pandemic, video conferencing tools have been rapidly used. They have been used more than ever, and this feature of Facebook can be the alternative to Zoom's meeting. It's because Facebook Rooms allow you to conduct the online conference or online meeting for unlimited hours. There is no time limit, whereas in the Zoom's meeting, in the free version of Zoom, there was 45-minute time cap for the meetings, and there were the limitation in the number of participants. But here in the Facebook Rooms, you can chat with the unlimited people for unlimited hours. So this is a very nice feature of Facebook that you can use while you are in lockdown. Before I show you how to create Facebook Rooms, I would like to request you to subscribe the channel if you haven't done it, because we post videos related to technology and more on regular basis. So with that said, let's get started. You can find the Facebook's room creating option on the wall just below the status bar. It writes TR's room. TR is my name, and you can create through this option. And when you click on the create from here, you will see these options. This is one of the way to create rooms, and another option is you can go on the status bar, and just below the status bar you can see add to your post. We can click here and we can create rooms from here as well. So now I am doing from the wall, and it writes room activity, and you can choose the room activity from here. Whatever activity you want to do, you can choose, or if you don't want the activity listed here, you can create the new activity. You can name the room as you want it. Here I am creating some new name. Maybe I am trying this option for now, so just I am writing just try. This will be the name of my room. And another option you can choose here is who is invited. You can invite all of your Facebook friends, or you can also invite some specific friend. So whichever option suits you, you can do. I am inviting few of my friends for joining the chat, and so I will select some names from here. I have selected one name here, and similarly let me select some other friends as well. I have selected two names, and I will invite them. As I invite, then there will be the link appearing on their wall, and they can join through that option. Or another is the link goes to to their messenger message, and they can join from here. And there is the option to either you want to join immediately, or you can make the meeting scheduled meeting. It's up to you. You can choose a specific time you want to start your meeting, or you can reset that time and choose it back to now. So in this way we can create the Facebook Rooms. After creating the room, we can see this option, and it shows who is invited. I have invited two friends here, and there is option to join by yourself. If you want to join the meeting, you can click on the join. If you join, this window will pop up, and you will be asked to continue, and you can click on continue. After you click on join as TR or join as your name, then there is option to allow the camera access. After this window will appear, and the participant will be appear on the window. In this way you can create the Facebook Rooms, and you can start doing the online conferences and meetings. This could be the best alternative for the Zoom meetings or other online video conferencing tools.